Hello students, I Nidhi Ahuja welcome you all. So let's understand a new topic of class 8, that is understanding quadrilaterals. So first topic in understanding quadrilateral is polygon. So what is polygon? It's a simple closed curve made up of line segment. Children, this is really important. It is made up of line segment because you can say it is also a closed curve. But it is not a polygon. Why it is not a polygon? Because polygon, it should be made up of line segment. It's a simple closed curve, right? So if I do it like this, it's not a polygon, although it is made up of line segment, but the condition is it's not closed, right? So two points are important. It should be closed and made up of line segment, right? Now let's understand types of polygon. First is concave polygon, convex polygon, regular polygon and irregular polygon. Now let's understand difference between these. Concave is a polygon in which one of the angles should be more than 180 degree, right? Then we call that polygon as concave polygon. Convex polygon, all the angles should be less than 180 degree. Then we call that polygon as convex polygon. Next is regular polygon. The example is equilateral triangle, square. Why they are regular? Because all sides and measure of all angles are equal. So when the sides and angles are equal, we call it regular polygon. Irregular polygon, just opposite of regular polygon, in which the measure of all the angles and sides are different, right? I hope you understood this thing. Polygon is clear to you. Closed curve made up of line segments. Types of polygon: concave polygon in which one of the angles should be more than 180 degree. Convex polygon, all angles should be less than 180 degree. Regular polygon, all sides should be equal and measure of all angles should also be equal. Irregular polygon, measure of angles are different and measure of sides are different. So I hope it is clear. Now let's understand the formulas. So some important points are, for a regular polygon, you know regular polygon of n side. Let's understand each exterior angle. First of all, always remember one thing. If we make the exterior angle, suppose this is a triangle and we are making the exterior angle, always remember exterior and interior angle makes linear pair with each other, right? Like here, this is exterior, this is interior, and here, this is exterior and interior. Make this thing clear with you, that interior and exterior angle, the sum of interior and exterior angle is always 180 degree. Okay? Let's understand one thing here. So, each exterior angle, if the question asks you, and make you do one question also. So, formula to find out each exterior angle is 360 by n. And each interior angle is, as I told you, the sum of interior and exterior angle is 180 degree. If you know the exterior angle, you can easily find out interior angle by subtracting it from 180 degree, right? And remember this thing, the sum of exterior of regular polygon, the sum of all exterior angles is always 360 degree. So let's understand, if the question asks you to find out the each exterior angle and the side of a polygon is given 8, means it is a 8-sided polygon and you are supposed to find out the each exterior angle. What do you have to do? Here let's understand, here n means side is given 8, right? Each exterior angle, as you know the formula, is 360 divided by n. N means here 8, and please children, when you write exam, in the exam do mention the formula first, okay? Now if you cancel it, you get 45 degree. So each exterior angle, the measure of each exterior angle is 45 degree. And if the question asks you to find out each interior angle also, how are you going to find out? Very simple. Each interior angle, you know the sum is 180 degree. So to find out each interior angle, you just subtract the exterior angle 80 degree and you'll get the answer. So what will be the measure of each interior angle? Here 5, here 3, 135 degree. I hope you understood how to find out each exterior angle, and once you got each exterior angle, you can easily find out the measure of each interior angle by subtracting it from 180 degree. Clear? Now let's understand one more thing. So now another important points, angles and property. In a convex polygon, you know the convex polygon, right? In which all the angles are less than 180 degree of n side. The first formula is sum of all exterior angle. Earlier I told you to find out the each exterior angle. Here you have to find out the sum of all exterior angle. As I told you, the sum of all exterior angles is always 360 degree, right? Now sum of all interior angle. What is the formula? 2n, where n is side, number of sides, minus 4 and multiply by right angle, that is 90 degree. Okay, this is very important formula. Now let's understand how to solve question. The question can come like, what is the sum of all interior angle of a regular polygon of side of 8 sides, right? They are asking you to find out the sum of all interior angle. We know the formula. What is the formula here? Sum of interior angles, that is 2n minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree, right? Here what is n given? 8. So we'll write down 2 multiply 8 minus 4 multiplied by 90 degree. So 16 minus 4 into 90 degree, what it will be? 12 multiply 90 is 1080. So what is the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon which is having 8 side, or we call it 8-sided polygon? The sum of interior angle is 1080, that is 1080 degree. This is how you find out the sum of all interior angles of a given polygon. Now if the question comes, find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose exterior angle, each exterior angle is given to you and they are asking you to find out the number of sides. Very simple. We know the formula, each exterior angle. What is the formula? That is 360 divided by n, where n is number of sides. Each exterior angle is given 45 degree, that is 360 divided by n. So what is n here? 360 divided by 45. That is, if you cancel, what you get? 8. So they are talking about the polygon whose number of sides are 8. Understood? How to find out the sum of all interior angle of a given polygon and how to find out the sides of a polygon when each exterior angle is given. I hope it is clear to you. Please do remember the formulas. Now we are going to talk about the diagonal. How to find out the number of diagonals of a given polygon. Now let's understand. So number of diagonals in polygon of n sides. So formula is n, here n is number of sides. N, bracket n minus 3 upon 2. So let's understand this formula by doing one question. Here they are asking you to find out the number of diagonals in a quadrilateral. And you know in quadrilateral how many sides are there? 4. So what is the formula here given? Diagonals, or we'll say number of diagonals. The formula is n minus 3 upon 2, right? Where n is 4, 4 minus 3 by 2. So here 4, because 4 minus 1 is 3 is 1 and into 4 is 4. So 4 by 2, how many diagonals in a quadrilateral? 2. You can check by drawing it. See, I'll make a quadrilateral. How many diagonals you can make? 2 only. That's right. Now one more part. How to find out the number of diagonals in a pentagon? Here I am not writing the formula, but in exam do remember to write down the formula first. So here n is 5. 5 minus 3 upon 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So 5 into 2 is 10 upon 2. Cancel. So how many diagonals in a pentagon? 5 diagonals are there in a pentagon. I hope it is clear. You understood how to find out the diagonal. If in exam this type of question comes to you, you'll be able to do only when if you learn the formulas carefully. So I hope this chapter is clear to you. All the formulas I have told you, you can make a note of these formulas, and I have explained each question to the to explain the formula. We have done one question for each. So I hope it is clear. So take care, keep revising. Bye bye.